Now, I will give you some information about our active ingredient. Mainly in our product, we are going to use extracts and essential oils as an active. In extract, we are going to use water soluble extracts. In the market, we are getting various types of extracts. For skincare formulation, we can use aloe vera extract as a rejuvenating, then as anti-wrinkle, then and as an anti-aging. Then for under eye cream or gel, you can use aloe vera extract. Then comes the papaya extract. Papaya extract mainly used as an anti-pigmentation agent. Licorice extract used as an rejuvenating. It also have a property of anti-wrinkle, anti-pigmentation, and anti-aging. Then you can use ashwagandha extract for the anti-aging and anti-wrinkle property. These four types of extract we are going to use in our cosmetic products mainly. Then you can use Bishazel extract for acne prone skin for closing the pores in your product. In a skin toner, you can use Bishazel extract. These are a few examples of water soluble extract that we can use in skincare. For hair care, we can use Brahmi extract, Avla extract, hibiscus extract, aloe vera extract, then Shikakai extract you can use. Then in skincare, we can get also saffron extract, then tomato extract. According to your need or requirement, you can customize your skincare formulations and you can use these extract. Basically, the extract uses rate is 0.5 to 2%, or else you can ask your vendor what is the uses rate, and then you can use the use the extract accordingly. Then comes the essential oils. Mainly, aromatherapy is the use of natural essential oil to cure disease and to beautify the skin and hairs. Actually, it is very vast topic, but I had given some combinations, some blends of the essential oils, and I will inform you some basic things, mainly about the notes, as I have given forwarded notes which are containing mainly the information about the notes and blends of the oils according to the notes. So I will just give some information about the notes of the essential oil. Mainly, essential oil is having three different strength. According to their strength, they are divided into three notes: top note, base note, and middle note. The top note means the essential oil that are the most volatile, that are first to evaporate. They are the first scent to be detected and the first to disappear. These are called as the top note. They gives you lots of energy, vitality, cheerfulness, happiness, and takes away sleep. So they are mainly used in the daytime. Then comes the middle note. These are very balancing oils. Neither they make sleepy nor keep awake. They just balance mind and body. The majority reveal their scent gradually and help to integrate top and base note for a harmonious fragrance. Then comes the base note. They gives you relaxation, then contentment and makes a sleepy. The oils with largest and heaviest molecule are the slowest or last to evaporate, thus impart the long lasting effect or long lasting scent. These three notes of essential oils. There are some rules of mixing of these notes. In the daytime, we can use top note and middle note. we can avoid base note. In night time, use middle and base note, avoid top note. Means in the market you are getting the day cream and night cream, or day gel or night gel. Then you can customize your product by using the notes, or by using the blend of notes. Then formulas are best preferred with middle note, as it can be used in any time. So you can prefer or you can formulate your product with middle note, or you get, when you are confused which notes we have to use, then we can use the middle note. To make a formula, you can use minimum of 1 oil to maximum of 5 oils, but not more than 5 oils. Just we have to blend one, we can use 1 oil, you can use up to 5 oils, but not more than 5 oils you cannot you blend. Without a carrier oil you cannot use essential oils. Means you cannot apply essential oil directly on the skin, it may cause irritation. We have to use all essential oils very cautiously. Without any carrier oil or without any medium, we cannot use essential oil. This thing is most important. You can use the cream, gel, oil or water as a carrier for the use of essential oil. I have given various blends, so we can customize our product accordingly.